Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to today's video. So today's video is really interesting. In today's video, I'm going to talk about two products that I promote on Clickbank. So I'm just doing this video to show you an example of the products that I promote on Clickbank, and I'm going to explain how I promote them so you get a good idea of what it takes to promote a product. Because this is something I've mentioned before, is that every product has its own strategy and way to promote. Like it's not, you can't use the same strategy for every product you promote on Clickbank. So every product has a different strategy. So what I'm gonna do in this example video, I'm gonna do two products. I'm gonna explain how I promote them, so you get a good idea of what I do to promote these products. So helps you a lot to promote your own products on Clickbank. You can do the same thing to promote the products that I'm promoting. So I promote right now. I think I promote about 14 different products. I'm working on another one. I'm kind of busy right now, but I'm working to add another one. I'm starting a campaign for another one, so it's going to be 15 Clickbank products, and another 4 products that are not Clickbank products, but these are affiliate products from other networks. But 15 Clickbank products, 14. I'm promoting 14 Clickbank products. In this video, I'm going to talk about 2 of them, and I'm going to explain how I do it. So I'm not going to get into details, like too much details, because it can get really complicated. Obviously, I gotta, there's a lot of technical stuff going on, but I'm gonna give you the overall strategy for each and every single one of them, so you get a good idea of what it takes to promote these products. So before we start, by the way, make sure to click the link in the description. That's going to take you to my free training workshop. So if you want to see more details, if you want to see how I promote these products, what it takes to do it, like all of these psychology behind promoting these products, the strategy, the campaign, the funnel, and all of that stuff. Again, if you want to see more details, you should definitely check out the workshop. It's a free workshop. Just click the link in the description. Just sign up for it for free, and you can just get access to it. In this workshop, I'm going to take you through everything step by step. It's called the Gold Masterclass, a Varsity Gold Masterclass workshop. I'm going to take you through everything step by step and just explain everything in detail. So you should definitely check it out. I'm going to leave a link in the description. So let's get started. Let's talk about these two products, okay? So the first product, let me actually close this. The first product I'm going to talk about is a real estate. Now, this is something I've mentioned before, but real estate is a niche that is being, it's not like, I feel it's not appreciated enough on Clickbank. There's a ton of money in real estate, like the business itself, but also like being an affiliate, like just promoting real estate products. There's just a ton of money, and the cool thing, like these two products in this video I'm going to talk about, they're not that complicated to promote. They're the audience is really simple to target, and it's just so easy to promote. So this specific product, you see the page right here, it's a real estate product, and this is a free webinar. So what you do is you send traffic to this free webinar. They're gonna do the free webinar, and if someone buys that product, you're gonna make that commission. This one, I think they pay about $150 per sale. Gotta check, but yeah, so it's about that. So it's good amount of money. It's not a lot. It's not high ticket like $2,000, $3,000 obviously, but it's good amount, right? It's $150. So it's a simple webinar. So this is how I usually promote webinars, especially like real estate. One of the best places to promote real estate products. Let me actually bring on my video again. Um, okay, so one of the best places to promote real estate products, especially webinars or anything related to real estate, is Facebook. Facebook is the best place to promote real estate products. Number one, it's simple to target. Okay, so the targeting is not complicated. You don't have to kind of figure out the affinity and all of that stuff. It's so simple. You can just target people who are interested in real estate, or homeowners, or stuff like that. It's, again, that's the details of it, but it's not that hard. So the way I do it is I send people to an article, a simple article. So it's like a 400 words. It's not 1,000 words. It's not that complicated. It's not a huge article. You don't want to bore people with articles. It's the most terrible thing you can do, by the way. I send them to a page, and what they do is, it's a really catchy title. It's a catchy headline. So I send them to this page. They read like a 300, 400 word article. There's a video in there, and then there's a button at the bottom of the article that says, hey, go to the next page. Now, next page, if they click on that button, they're going to go to this webinar. So that's going to take into my affiliate link, which is going to take into this webinar. Okay, so this is how I do it. So I'm gonna, so they're gonna click on the button that says, the button says continue reading. Like they feel they're gonna read the rest of the article. But throughout the article, I dropped a hint about the webinar. Okay, so they know exactly, like they know that I'm going to talk about this webinar at some point, right? But they just don't know when. So when they click that button, they're going to go to this webinar page, and I'm going to make money if they sign up for it. So it's really powerful. This is how I do it. So on Facebook, usually when I, not just web real estate products, but almost not all, always, but almost every product I promote on Facebook usually goes either to a landing page. Most of the times it goes to a content page. Okay, so the way I think is that because Facebook is a place where people are just browsing around, they're not looking actively for a product. They're not actively looking for something to buy. So when you just pop out of nowhere and show your ads, even if they click on it, it doesn't mean they're 100% interested. But like search engine traffic or paid advertising like Google ads, that's different. Like people are searching for it, so there's an interest in there. But this one, you gotta treat the traffic from Facebook differently. So that's why I send them to a content page instead of sending to an opt-in page. And most of the time, so especially for this, because they don't know you, they just clicked on something, they don't know you, they're not gonna give you their email. Even if they do, the conversion rates are gonna be so low. So you want to send them to a content page, and then drive them either to your landing page or to your affiliate link. So that's how I do it. So that's how I do it for this product. I send them to a content page, there's a video, it's nice, they learn a lot, and then they click, they go to the next page, the affiliate link pops up. So that's that. So second one is really interesting. The second one is a product for dating. It's for women. So your target market. So let me check again. Bring up the video. I don't know why I closed it. Okay, so the second one is a dating product for women. So the target market is you're gonna target women. So this is really interesting. So I started the core of this campaign with the basic stuff. So I built a website. I have videos on it, and I built a YouTube channel. I paid an actor on Fiverr. So let me show you Fiverr. So this is Fiverr.com. So you can just go here and just pay someone. Like you can just hire people to do work for you. Like for example, in total, it took me a week to just find the right person and order the video I wanted, and then they gave me the video. So I did this videos, like I paid someone to do these videos, and I built a YouTube channel. So that was the basic, right? So you build a YouTube channel, you build a website, you promote, like you post content on your YouTube channel and the website, you promote these products, you cross promote, like you promote the YouTube channel on you promote the YouTube channel on your website, and you promote the website on your YouTube channel. So you just kind of send people in a circle. So you have like a funnel going on, and then that was the basics. And this is something really interesting, and this is like one of the things I wanted to talk about in this video, as video marketing. So I did something. I learned, like, this was something this was like a really kind of black hat video I watched. It was about ranking videos on YouTube. So, so this person apparently knew a lot about Google algorithm, and especially YouTube algorithm, and how it works. Especially, you know, that this was kind of close to what's happening right now. Which if you don't know, there's like a huge YouTube drama going on, and anyways, I'm not going to talk about that. But the people were questioning why YouTube is like ranking some specific videos and showing them on the trending page. Like I know if you're in a YouTube game, like if you watch YouTube videos, like what the drama I'm talking about, what I'm talking about, like this situation that was going on. But this was like, the idea was that this really terrible video was ranking on the trending page on YouTube, and this was really bad. And people were just like trying to figure out how this thing is ranking up there. And because YouTube is just shutting down videos, they're demonetizing. Like even I even the content I post, most of the time it gets demonetized. I have to request a review, so everyone was questioning what's going on with YouTube. So someone was talking about this, and this was really interesting because I'm gonna get to some good points here. So the question was why such a video was ranking in trending page, and the answer to that was really simple. This person was explaining the answer was simply because news websites were embedding this video on their pages, and people were watching this video from news websites. So embedded, like these videos were embedded to news websites, right? So people were watching these videos in news websites. So when YouTube sees that, these videos, some videos are being watched on news websites, like there's like a huge buzz going on around the video, they put it on the trending page. Now it doesn't matter if the video isn't getting a ton of views, but if there's a certain amount of visitors coming from news networks, they will put it on the trending page. I mean, obviously, it's not going to happen for every single video, okay? But this thing is a huge ranking factor. It's a huge ranking factor. Now, I use this for this campaign. Again, we're getting back to this. I used this for this campaign. So what I did was, obviously, I'm not gonna, post something weird online, but what I did was one of the videos that this I paid someone on Fiverr to do for me. I did a really nice press release, and the press release wasn't about the feature or like it wasn't about dating or anything like that. It was about the product itself, and I embedded that video in that press release. So I paid like $200 for that press release, and something crazy happened. The video started to rank all over the place. So the video was being suggested and like on the right side of other videos related to it. So it was getting a ton of views. And so, but the thing is, video wasn't getting a ton of views from the news websites because I did a press release on it, but it was getting a ton of views from YouTube simply because this video was embedded on news websites, and it was getting some traffic from these news websites. So when you do something like this, YouTube feels the importance of the video. So if you want to, again, the point I'm trying to make is if you want to rank your videos on YouTube, one of the ways to do this, if you have like a full built campaign, you don't want to just have a video YouTube channel, you want to have a website and all that stuff, okay? So if you just do a press release, and you can just rank your videos really, really good on YouTube, and you can get a ton of views. Okay, so that was like kind of a boost that I did. That was a huge push that I did on that campaign, and it just got me a lot of sales. Alright, so that's that. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you learned something new today. And I was trying to just explain this whole trending thing as good as I could. But yeah, this was something that like a really trick that I used, which is really nice, and I hope you can use this in your business. I'm sure you're gonna be able to monetize this strategy pretty good for yourself. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this every single day, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you didn't like it. And if you want me to make a video about something specific in future, just leave a comment. Let me know what you think. So thank you so much for watching this video. And by the way, I have the link in the description that takes you to my workshop. If you want to learn how to make over $3,000 a day, check out the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.